Because you were never, ever going to see them again. You know what? Up until about 2 minutes ago, you never saw them before, so there's not really a loss there when you think about it. Welcome aboard Ultimate Jungle Cruise, everyone. My name is Skipper Zach, and I will indeed be your skipper, your butler, your tour guide, your personal trainer, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, I might also be your swimming instructor. We'll begin our journey here on the Amazon. Now, here in the Amazon, it rains about 365 days a year. And yes, for those of you trying to do the math, that's basically every day. Now, on either side of the boat here, you will see a rare species of insect. They are called margarine flies. Now, I know what you're thinking. I can't believe they're not butter. Flies, butterflies. And over here on the left, we have the Inspiration Falls. Now, people will often ask me, Skipper Zach, why do you call them Inspiration Falls? Well, because the longer you stare at them, the more they inspire you to go. Go deeper and deeper into the jungle, I mean. Can I get an ooh? Can I get an ah? Now that was inspiring. Up next here we have the Congo River. Let's just go ahead and see how far we actually can go before we break down or something. Now, since this is our first cruise all together, I thought I would arrange a little welcoming party for everyone. You're welcome. There's going to be food, games, dancing, all the natives have decided to come out. Oh, folks, I'm so sorry. They were just here moments ago. That's very strange. Something must have scared them off. You guys see anything around that could have maybe scared away? Oh my gosh, look at that, everyone. That is a great big snake sitting in the tree. Hissing. Can anyone tell me what kind of snake that is? It starts with a P. So close, plastic. Now, if you look at oh my gosh, folks, this is really embarrassing. This place should never leave your front door open in the jungle. There is just too much monkey business going on over there. We'll have to come back to it later when it's not so bananas. No, there's no bananas. I didn't say bananas. Just disregard. Anyway, I think it's about time we turn down the Nile because it is getting a little loud out here. We are going down the Nile River. In fact, folks, it is one of the longest rivers in the world because it just goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, well, then you're probably in a boat. You are in a boat, folks. Now, up the river, we have a giant sandstone rock formation. Now, unfortunately, a lot of you will take this for granted. But I think it's one of our bolder attractions, wouldn't you say? And over here is the African belt, which is home to many animals, like those extremely tall cheetahs in the back, those fake news on the hill there. And right over here, folks, we have a nice family of lions that is protecting that zebra while he's sleeping, right? That is exactly what is going on over there if you are under the age of 6. Now, folks, if you don't have your cameras out now, I suggest getting them out, because this one up here is a doozy. Let me tell you, folks, I have never seen a sight quite like this before in all my years in the jungle. I mean, take a look for yourselves. There's got to be at least, like, I don't know, 1 million rocks on that beach, right? Yeah, big rocks, little rocks. That's incredible. Now, somewhere around the corner here, oh, there it is, up ahead there, folks, that there is Schweitzer Falls. Now, Schweitzer Falls, of course, is named after a famous explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Now, interesting fact about these falls here. Every 60 seconds that you sit here watching water come over the side, a minute goes by. You could have done literally anything else with your life. But no, seriously, folks, as we go by the falls here, you're going to feel a nice cool mist coming off the water. It's actually kind of refreshing when it's hot out. Oh, fun fact, there's about 2 million forms of jungle bacteria within that water. So make sure you scrub really good when you get home. And I promise the itching will subside. Oh, no, you guys see that? You guys know what that is? Folks, that is a downed airplane. And that means only one thing in this jungle. Hippos. Oh yeah, I'm not kidding. Hippos, yeah, they can jump thousands of feet into the air and then just rip airplanes right out of the sky. It's really the most dangerous. Oh my goodness, they're all over the place. And oh no, that one over there, they're about to charge us. But it's okay. They only accept cash. So. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we probably should be a little bit quiet going through here because this is headhunter territory, and it is a very dangerous place to be headed. Oh no, wait a minute here, folks. Do you see them dancing like that? Oh no, did you hear those drums? Folks, I got bad news. When this tribe does those two things together like that, in syncopation, it could mean that they're only gonna ambush us. Oh my gosh, there they are! Everyone get down, get down! Shield your children! Or, I don't know, use your children as shields! If you happen to get hit by a spear, make sure you pull it off and throw it back. We're not allowed to take souvenirs! Is everybody okay? Folks, I am so sorry about that, but the good news is that I have brought you to the eighth wonder of the world, the dark side of water! By the way, folks, do not attempt that at home, okay? You will hit your head on the back of the sink. I'm serious, there's not enough room to get back there, so... Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the looks of it, I would say that we have made our way onto the Mekong River, which means that we are now deep in the heart of the Cambodian jungle. Oh, and look right up here, folks. Okay, this is very strange. Last week there was no entrance on this side of the temple, so there might be some seismic activity in the area. I don't know. Do you think we should still go in? Yeah! All right, well, we can't go backwards, so we're going to have to. All right, folks, this might be a little bit painful, seeing as it's a root canal. Bathing pool. But don't worry, you're more than welcome to keep on taking photos and videos. Everyone in here seems to have their trunks on today, so should be okay. Now right over here is a rare sight. Look at this, folks, especially in the daytime. That there are two baby elephants underneath the full moon. Adorable. Now what we have to watch out for in here are the guys like this. They like to hide in the corners and then pop up and try to spray our boats when they think that we're not looking. The trick is to get by them before they have enough time to fully reload. So we have to be very, very quick. Oh my gosh, folks in the back, I am so sorry.
I swear to God!
Just there. A little dry humor for you there. Now folks, no trip through our jungle is complete without a visit to our #1 head salesman. His name is Trader Sam. He's over here on the left. You guys can go ahead and wave. Say hi, Sam. Hi, Sam. Now take a look, folks. He's running a very special deal for you today. You can get 3 of his heads for just 1 of yours. Oh, come on, folks. That's a pretty good deal. I mean, any way you slice it or dice it, you're going to come out ahead, right? Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching the end of our jungle cruise. I know, very sad. But the good news is that you had me as your skipper, Skipper Zach, which means that I have some pull around here in this jungle. So, for instance, if you want to ride the jungle cruise again, all you have to do when you get off the boat, go to the front of the line, tell them Skipper Zach sent you, and then in 45 minutes,